In this video, I want to show you how to create an ad, how to deploy this actual retargeting strategy, and how to use the retargeting list that you just created in order to reach out to the website visitors who didn't opt in. To get started, log in into your Facebook Ads Manager, then click on Create Ad. Then select Increase Conversions on your website, enter the URL of your squeeze page, then select a conversion pixel, okay, just select the one that you created and click on Continue. Perfect. So the first thing that you have to do is to specify the custom audience section. Just go ahead and select the retargeting pixel that you created, okay? So let's just pick this one here. Then, as you can see, there are a couple more sections that you can specify. Now, let's talk about the location section first. You should always make sure to create different campaigns for each and every country. So if you're reaching out to website visitors from the United States, United Kingdom, and Germany, don't enter all three here, okay? Just enter one country, one target audience. So let's say I just want to reach out to the visitors from the United States. So just go ahead and select the market here. You can get even more specific by selecting a specific city or a zip code, but generally speaking, you really want to specify the country. Then, age and gender. Well, this is something I would virtually never specify, but you can do that. First of all, if you know that your target audience are men or women anyways. Let's say you're promoting a dating service, and that dating service is offering paid subscriptions to men only. Now, it can happen that women who are also signed up on Facebook, well, check out your squeeze page. You don't want to serve ads to them, right? Because they will not sign up at the end of the day. So if your business is geared towards a very specific audience, then specify it here. If it's men, then it's men. If it's only women, then it's women. If it's both genders, then I would narrow it down to men or women, okay? So just keep the default section, keep it to all. Now, in terms of the age, if you know that the people who will ultimately buy from you are, let's say, between 30 and 50 years old, then go ahead and narrow the age down to that particular group of people. The reason is you only want to get people onto your list who will ultimately make a purchase, okay, who will give you money. Now, if you know that the 18 to 24-year-olds will never give you money because they don't have the money to pay, for example, for a higher ticket item, then, well, just exclude them right from the beginning. There's absolutely no way to build a list for the sake of building up a list. You want to get potential clients on your email list. And if you know right away that there's a certain age group that will just not convert, that will not buy your products and services, then go ahead and exclude that age group. So if you know that there is, for example, a very specific age group that will buy from you, go ahead and specify it here, okay? So short recap in terms of setting up the targeting section, select the retargeting list here, then specify the location, pick one country only, and if necessary, specify the age and the gender. Then, what's important in terms of setting up a compelling ad, you obviously want to select a great picture, okay? But in terms of the ad text, here's what I would do. There are tons of different strategies how to write and how to craft an ad. But you want to really just send them a quick reminder. You want to do something like, you forgot to claim this offer, ? Right? So this is what I would do. And in that section here, I would go for something like entering the topic of your lead magnet, like how to get 1,000 Facebook fans. Okay. So you really wanna remind them, or how to get 1,000, I don't know, readers, blog readers or visitors, how to get 1,000 visitors, or how to meet women, whatever the topic of your lead magnet is. You should specify it in the headline, and the ad text should contain a reminder. You should remind them that you already showed them that offer and that they didn't opt in. Okay, keep it very simple, but you really want to specify what your lead magnet is all about. You don't want to get some random clicks. And you also want to tell them, hey, you've already seen that page, what happened? And the group of people that you actually want to reach out to, the ones who actually wanted to claim your offer but didn't do it for whatever reason because they got distracted. Okay, you're reminding them like, oh yeah, I remember Ed Baker, I remember that company, and hey, I also remember that lead magnet, I forgot to claim it, and yeah, sure, I didn't forget to claim this offer, I just couldn't do it, let me get it now. And boom, you've got them on your list. Okay, so that's how to create a retargeting campaign. That's how to deploy the first strategy. And if you're done, just click on place order and see the traffic coming in.